Some paths don't go nowhere, they just keep going. There's an old rail line up the road, rust in the tires where the long grass grows. Tracks gave up, but the past stayed true. That's where we walk, me and you. Up the hill where the land runs wide, miles of quiet on either side. It's a stone sky and a steady climb. No hurry now, we got time. Spoken line used to carry trains, now it carries us.
Past the farms where the cattle stand, cows in the shade, sheep on the land, horses watching still and tall, like they've seen it all before it falls.
Rabbits scatter quick and low, noses twitch where the wild things go. I watch but I don't give chase, some things deserve their space. Old paths still run beneath my feet, through wind and rain and broken sleep. They don't mind the years gone by, they just keep leading toward the sky. I walk 'em slow,
I walk 'em true,
every mile smells fresh and new. Old paths still run, and I run with them. There's a stretch where the trees lean down, bent and broken roots half crowned. Storms came hard, the wind stood tall, some stayed standing, some did fall.
branches cracked but the ground held fast. Nothing here's ashamed of the past. I step around where time laid low, that's how these old places show. Wind takes what it needs, leaves the rest.
From low down hill I see it clear, the valley rolls and disappears.
Fields run down to the coastal line, sea meets sky every time.
I sit a while, let the silence talk, tongue out, tail still, end of the walk.
Long way back, but that's alright, we'll take the path again tonight.
Old paths still run through hill and stone, even when you think you're alone.
They don't rush, they don't pretend, they just keep going start to end.
I'm a good boy, I know my place, nose to the wind, steady pace. Old paths still run, and I run with them. Name's Bruno. I remember the way